Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your glove box and the rear portion behind it in order to get to your cabin air filter. Just going to open the glove box, give it a little tug back, and then there is a clip over here. You just pop that clip off. I'll show you once this is out. So this piece right here, this is like the retractor that makes it go up and down. There's a pin on the side of the glove box, and then there's a pin on this clip. All you do is literally put the clip remover between there and twist it, and that pops out. And then your glove box is out. To get the shell off, you have to take the lower portion off right here and this kick plate. And I just grab from the bottom, pull up, and then pull straight up all the way. That will separate off of that. Just clips, you don't need any tools. All right, and then you're gonna see a plastic clip over there. What you're gonna wanna do is pop this out towards the center of the car and then apply a little pressure and twist the screw or the plastic nut. And the reason you apply a little pressure is because the plastic screws or the plastic nuts like to strip. And when you're loosening that nut, kind of pull back on the nut as well. And then this comes out. It's technically not a screw. It looks like it just slides on by pressure, but when you just want to pull back on it, it feels like it's going to break. Just unthread it that way. And then this swings out and slides forward that way. You're gonna see screws here the whole time, but just getting this shell out, it makes it a little easier. So let's loosen all these. And I have this. Since we're going in reverse, just be careful, don't put a lot of pressure. So there's 1, 2, there's one way back here, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this should be the last one, 7. So now just kind of pull forward on this. And be kind of cautious because there's a cigarette lighter right here, which means there is a plug on it. So see the 2 tabs right here on the inside of the glove box shell. Just press on one side, like in, and that will pop out nicely. You could also unplug it, but I've found out that these break really easily, so I try not to mess with anything right here. And there's a few clips on here. Looks like that one is screwed on. So we can unscrew that one, and then we will unplug this, the cigarette lighter. So there's a push tab right there. Slide that out, and then I'm going to try to save all these plastic factory clips. So I'm going to grab some needle nose pliers. All right, and then if you look on the inside of the shell, you're going to see a clip there and a clip there. I'm basically just going to grab these with needle nose, pinch them a little bit. That relieves the pressure on it, so we can pull the harness out of the back without damaging the clip. Same thing on this side, or this one, just pinch it. So that slid out, nothing broke. And then since this one is screwed on, I'll just unscrew it. So that part came off, and it looks like that one is actually screwed on also. And by doing that, you're able to get the harness freed off of there without breaking any clips. The shell comes out. Right here, you will see your cabin air filter. So you loosen this tab right here and then open it that way, and it should slide out from the left side like so. Filter is not too bad for a brand new car.
I was expecting it to be spotless.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, that actually is kind of dirty.
So that's like 25,000 miles?
Yeah. That is how you remove your glove box and the shell behind it to clean your cabin air filter on your new Nissan Z.